A San Bernardino family is outraged after a sheriff's deputy shot and killed their dog. They say they now plan to file a legal claim. The shooting happened on May 4th. Video shows a deputy enter their backyard without a warrant and shoots the family's Rottweiler as it approaches him. KTLA Shelby Nelson is live in San Bernardino with the new video from that disturbing incident. Shelby.
Hi, John. A spokesperson for the department tells me that this is still all under investigation, including the deputy's actions. But we have obtained a new video that shows how deputies responded and reacted immediately after Daisy was shot. And her owner and his attorney say it's unacceptable.
We put up a memorial for her because, she brought a lot of happiness and joy to our life.
This is where Jesus Serna's dog Daisy took her last breath, almost 2 months after we first brought you this story about a San Bernardino County Sheriff's deputy entering onto his property and shooting Daisy. He says he has received an apology, but no other answers as to why this happened.
I want to know why they were here. I want to know why they let themselves in my yard.
It was May 4th when a deputy had responded to reports of a stolen vehicle on the same street where Serna's home is in San Bernardino, a vehicle that turned out to have no connection to him. A deputy opened Serna's gate, letting himself into the backyard. He was first greeted by Raven, and then Daisy, Serna's second dog, approaches moments before he shoots her. Serna and his attorney now filing a claim against the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department, which is the first step required before filing a lawsuit against the department. And now new video shows the response deputies made in the wake of Daisy's killing.
At least half a dozen deputies and other people from San Bernardino descended on the home, again warrantlessly entered the property. And what really shocked us was that for the next 20 minutes, Daisy lay slowly dying. You can see her paw moving in the video.
A spokesperson for the department says that they contacted animal control immediately after the shooting to render aid.
I think he's dead now.
All they really cared about was finding that shell casing from the officer.
The department says it's part of standard practice for shell casings to be documented and collected. When someone does arrive, video shows them carrying Daisy off.
I didn't see any emotion from any of them towards an animal, to be honest. They just picked her up and carried her away like she was just yesterday's trash.
At one point, one deputy is joking to the other and says, well, that's what you're going to do, kill the effing dog.
You know the other option?
Jesus says the department did bring him in to watch the deputy's body camera footage, but to him it doesn't explain why Daisy, a dog he's had since she was a puppy, was killed.
I do want justice. I also don't want to see somebody lose their job.
Now, Jesus does want accountability. He wants discipline against this deputy, who, by the way, is still on duty, and he also wants to see more training. That is the very latest from San Bernardino. I'm Shelby Nelson, KTLA 5 News.